Hi everyone, my name is Norman and today I want to show you how to knit the broken rib stitch knitting pattern. It's a very lovely pattern with a lot of structure. The broken rib stitch is a simple 2-row repeat and quite stretchy. Sadly, it curls a tiny bit here on the edges, and as you can see, it is not a reversible pattern either. Still, the wrong side looks almost as pretty, so it could be a lovely choice for a scarf or a blanket with the right kind of selvage. Anyway, let's show you how to knit the broken rib stitch. Start by casting on an odd number of stitches using a long tail cast on around 2 needles. The broken rib stitch is quite stretchy and you want to use a cast on to match that stretchiness. You can also cast on an even number, but then the edges won't match on both sides. Once you cast on the required number of stitches, you have to knit across 1 row, so remove the extra knitting needle carefully, pick up your working yarn, turn your work around, make sure your yarn is in the back, and then knit across 1 full row. 1 full row of plain knit stitches. In the second row, so on the wrong side, you have to alternate between purl and knit stitches. So bring the yarn to the front and purl 1 stitch. Then bring the yarn to the back and knit 1 stitch. Yarn forward, purl 1 stitch. Yarn to the back, knit 1 stitch. So, and I recommend giving your working yarn a gentle tuck after every purl stitch. So it's knit 1, purl 1, tuck, knit 1, purl 1, tuck. That way you maintain a super nice stitch definition. So continue in alternating knit and purl stitches across the whole row. And once you've finished that second row, turn your work around and then make sure the yarn is in the back and then knit across 1 row. So the broken rib stitch is a simple 2-row repeat and it's always 1 knit row followed by 1 row of purl 1, knit 1, so simple ribbing. And from here on, you need to continue repeating these 2 rows. So just to make sure, here in the 4th row, you start with purl 1, knit 1, purl 1 again. So it's really a very simple repeat. And if you continue knitting in this manner, you will create the broken rib stitch. If you would like to knit it in the round, then you have to cast on an even number of stitches. Then knit across the first round just like before. And in the second round, the repeat is knit 1, purl 1. So almost exactly the same. Anyway, that's how to knit the broken rib stitch. Please like this video if you enjoyed watching. Comment with your questions, and of course don't forget to subscribe in case you don't want to miss any new videos. Happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.